In this next training, we'll learn about adding data verifiers to our survey. A data verifier can be used to restrict the format of answers to a text question, number question, or essay question. For this example, we'll look at adding a verifier to our phone number, email, and zip code fields. We'll also look at limiting the response length for this essay question. Let's get started by jumping into our survey editor and adding our verifiers. As you can see, we've already pre-built the questions for this survey. I'll get started by selecting Q2 from the question tree. Then, I'll select the row I want to add my data verifier to. In this case, we'll start with R2, our phone field. Using the right options panel, I'll find Verify, and then select US phone number from the dropdown. Next, using a similar process, I'll create my verifier for the email field by selecting Email from the dropdown. And finally, I'll set my data verifier for the zip code field by selecting US zip code. Let's test out our data verifiers by using the preview feature. Let's try and continue through our survey with an invalid format for our phone, email, and zip code field. We can fill in each field and then hit continue. As you can see from the error messages, it looks like our data verifiers worked. In order to continue, we'll need to add in our phone number, we'll need to correct our email field, and we'll need to add an appropriate zip code. Then we can click continue and see if this works. And that's it. Once we corrected our errors, we are allowed to continue. Let's take a look at our next question. Our next question is an essay type. Respondents are asked to share their feelings about the raffle. If we remember from our Word document, we're asked to limit the responses to 300 characters or less. We can do this by limiting the response length in our Right Options panel by creating a range of 1 to 300. Let's test this out again using the preview feature. If we enter more than 300 characters, we should receive an error. And we do, so everything looks like it's set up properly. And this concludes our training on data verifiers in Decipher.